Today, we're at the Tianjin regional competition of Zhongxi's strongest technician.
You can all head back now. I'm here in Hangzhou.
然后优赖特比呢来参加这次的活动。
We are delighted to join in this event. Our Unite tire changer is used in the competition. How does it feel?
Well, it's excellent, very fast, and the operation is smooth.
I find it particularly user-friendly, even with those low-profile tires.
How do you feel about this machine?
It works great and easy to handle.
Easy to handle.
Yeah, I felt it was very handy.
Very handy.
Yes.
This machine is quite responsive, quick and smooth. It greatly assists in my work speed.
That wraps up the selection round at the Tianjin branch of the Zhong's rubber tire changing competition. The next selection round will be held in Chengdu on September 21st. We'll be there on time to bring you live coverage of the event. Stay tuned to me. Stay tuned to Unite.